Cineverse Corp is trending as anticipation builds for the upcoming release of the Toxic Avenger Reboot, a cult classic revival that has sparked strong discussions within both the investor and fan communities. Much of the buzz centers on box office projections, with traders and movie enthusiasts debating how well the film could perform relative to expectations and whether it might deliver a meaningful boost to Cineverse's financials. Pre sale ticket numbers are being scrutinized closely, with comparisons drawn to past horror and cult hits such as Terrifier 3, which generated outsized returns despite modest budgets. The conversation also extends to the film's unconventional marketing strategies, which many view as a key factor in differentiating the reboot from mainstream superhero or horror releases. Some community members believe the unique grassroots style promotion and nostalgic appeal could help the film carve out a profitable niche, while others remain cautious about its ability to capture a wide enough audience. Beyond the film itself, the broader investor chatter highlights Cineverse's streaming platform expansion and recent partnership announcements. Optimists argue that the combination of theatrical releases, cult IP exploitation, and streaming growth could position the company for sustained momentum, while skeptics caution about execution risks, competition in the streaming market, and the volatility of relying on individual film successes. Overall, the debate reflects a split sentiment. Some see the Toxic Avenger as a potential breakout catalyst for Cineverse, while others remain wary that the hype may not translate into long term shareholder value.
Okay, CNVS is in a strong bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is sloping bullishly upwards, and there's some activity going on, but we have not been able to. It has not been able to print here. I don't think or swim on even here on trading view yet on the minute chart. It is the single minute chart that I think some action has materialized there. But regardless, we can just take the projections we have here as of Wednesday, the 27th. The projections were 2.26, 2.84, 3.78, 5.64, 6.15, 6.47. Do we have any intraday highs? Nothing like that. Intraday low 4.31. That was on the 18th of August. So let's see now. I think the high of this year is six, maybe $7 and some fraction. So we can refer to that. We will come back to this daily chart. Let's have a look at the 4 hour chart. So this has not, yeah, it has actually reflected what's going on for some reason. So it has gained an inch somewhat. So I think we can use this extrapolation. So the extrapolation of its three period moving average is that higher prices will continue to play out up till Monday, the 8th of September. No guarantee that that will be the case. Projections here say 2.35 downward projection, obviously 2.80, 3.53 upper projections, maybe from 5.44, but there's also 5.13, then 5.62. Oh, this was as of the close of yesterday, the 27th. Nothing, yeah, nothing. We haven't seen anything else play out, so we'll take that anyway. As of the 14th of August, projections were 6.43, 6.81, 7.05. And as of the 25th of July, projections were 4.93, 5.22, 5.68, 6.75, 7.09, 7.31. Let's see the 1 minute chart. Let's see, is it reflecting what's going on? I don't think it's not really doing so. So let's come back to the daily chart. Okay, so the current price. Okay, let's just say now the probability of it retesting 6.77. Let's see. This pane here holds the moving averages. So if I place my cursor on a certain price point, which translates to obviously a target, if the moving average is less than that target, let's use the first moving average. The first moving average is the 10 period moving average. So if that moving average is less than your target, then we have a less than 50% probability that it will print. If it's greater than the target, then we have a more than 50% that it will print. So here we have 6.80. We're testing 6.80. So the moving average is less than 6.80. In other words, it's statistically it is less than 50%. The probability is that less than 50% that 6.80 will print or will be retested. And then we have moved sideways again, remain maintaining 6.80. So there again, the probably moving average is less than 6.80. In other words, we can say in the interim the probability of it retested 6.80 is less than 50%, but still something that can happen. Yeah, so there isn't very much activity going on for some reason, but the stock is trending. Yeah, let's see how things go, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.